So in the next lesson, we want to meet the project, see what we need to do inside the project, colors, buttons, whatever is out there, let's just meet it. Welcome to my CV version 2 starter. This is Marian, and in this lesson we'll talk about what do you get out of following this course. So what do you get out is to build an online website or a website that can be deployed online using only HTML and CSS with some basic and some more interesting techniques. So let's get on with it with the presentation. What you'll get to do is to start adding some titles and then create a box shadow and place the text into it, and then create some buttons, some of them holding icons, some of them holding text. We'll also learn how to do some rounded corners, implement some images, as well as some social media icons. And then as far as you can see, all of them are kind of arranged into a grid system. We'll also find out how to implement that as well. We'll also discover and master how to build lists, vertical lists, and then let's say buttons that arrange themselves one after the other based on the available space. And we'll also do a responsive, so this will be the mobile version, then this one over here will be the tablet. You can see that there is the content is exactly the same, just a different arrangement, and then this would be the desktop version. Again, the content is exactly the same, just a different arrangement, and this is what we'll do so far. On top of that, we'll also, let's watch this online. This is the final version of the let's say project that we're about to build, and this would be the, let's say, tablet version, well, the mobile version. And if we resize it a bit, we can see how the tablet version will look when it breaks, and this will be the tablet version. And then if we resize it even more, we get the desktop version. This will be the desktop version. On top of that, we'll also implement a light and dark theme. So far you've seen the light theme, and if we are to choose personalize on Windows and then go for colors and choose dark, we can see that the website beneath has changed, and also some of the colors have adjusted to meet, let's say, the user preference of that is set in the operating system as light or dark theme. This is what we are going to start working on, so let's get on with that.